experienced something so beautiful coming outside to get my crystals. Why are these beautiful bugs mating? It looked like they was mating. I don't know what kind of bug that is, but it's beautiful. You see it? It's running away because I put the camera on it. Oh, it don't like the light. It doesn't like the light. Hold on. Hold on. You see it? This is the bug. And it was right by my crystal. Look at the bug. Now look at this. Look at my crystal. Why was it right next to my crystal though? Oh man, this is beautiful. Oh man, what is that? It looks like, oh, it was mating. It was mating. Oh, dope.